thank your members for the quick passage of this appropriation bill to law. By the grace of God, we hit the ground running from the January 1st. And so we think that what you've done is to give support to the Executive Council to render good services to the people of the state. And that is why when you are called upon an emergency period like this, you have made sacrifices to make sure that this Appropriation Act is being effected before the end of the fiscal year of 2021. So I most sincerely thank you and assure you that we'll do all we can to make sure at least we achieve not less than 80% of the implementation of the budget, believing that God willing we'll get the necessary resources. I know that I came back with the Commissioner of Finance this early morning to make sure that everything is put in place for us to have the enabling resources to execute and implement what is provided in the budget. Next year is a political year, as you know, and so it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. It's a national thing. It's a national thing. I heard the president vetoed it, and I heard the National Assembly is moving now to. National Assembly is moving now to veto the presidential refusal. That again is going to try to upset on certain things. So next year is to be very political turbulent, and it affects the performance of every budget. But I pray to God that it shouldn't be much, so that we'll be able to execute the necessary plans and the good we have for people. Once more, let me thank you for your support and continue to seek for your support in the years ahead towards the transition of our own tenure, by the grace of God. So thank you, Mr. Speaker, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.